Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Java Beam, and this is Satya. In this video, I am going to explain you how to set up Java JDK 15 into your Windows 10 laptop or desktop. Here we are going to see an alternate way without installing Java JDK into our Windows laptop or desktop. We can still use JDK with all the features. We'll see how we can do that one. Let me go to Google. Here search for JDK download. Go to the first link, which is oracle.com JTSC download Java SC Java Standard Edition download Oracle Technology Network. Here this is Java SC 15. It is the latest version of Java JDK, which has been released recently on 15th September. There are some beautiful features available we can start using. So click this one, Oracle JDK download. Here scroll down and you will see different versions. Different setups for different machines like Linux, Mac, Windows. So depending on your requirement, depending on your system configuration, you can choose one of the installers. Here for Windows there is no 32-bit, we need to go for 64-bit only. So if your system is 32-bit, choose older versions. JDK 15 is available only in 64-bit. Here there are two flavors. One is the installer version, other one is the compressed archive. So installer, we need to go to the installer wizard using the exe file, and there we need to choose multiple options to install that will install into our system. Here this is the alternate way we can use the compressed file. This is actually downloading all Java into your Windows machine, but you won't install. So let me click this one. This is JDK 15 Windows 64-bit bin.zip. Here you need to agree this one and download. One more thing, you need to have a account in Oracle. You need to log in first, then only you will able to download any of the Java softwares. I already logged in, so it didn't ask for login. So zip file is downloaded. Just copy this one and create one folder in like a D drive or C drive, wherever, and inside this I am pasting here, and extract this zip file. It will extract all the Java related software like exe files and jars, supported jars. Everything will be downloaded into your folder, extracted into your folder. It won't take much time. It is very quick. Here there are two reasons I am doing this video. One thing is without installing we can go for alternate options. There might be some issues while installing Java JDK software, so you can go for the alternate option where you don't need to actually install, but you still able to work with all the new features. Other thing is JDK 15 is a new release, and the setup for JDK 15 is little bit different in Eclipse IDE, as it's a very new release. So we will see that how we can set up Java compiler and Java runtime environment into your Eclipse workspace. This is extracted into JDK 15. Here you can see there is only one folder, it's JDK 15. There is no like JRE and JDK. If you see Java 8 or other older versions, you might see two folders. Okay, Let me go inside this. Yeah, here you will get all the required softwares like java.exe, I mean Java compiler and Java runtime environment, jar, everything available here. So your JDK is ready. Just thing is to run this you need to set the path. Let me go to command prompt. Just check what is Java is set in your local machine. So there is no Java compiler set and there is no Java runtime environment also. Yeah, we need to set this Java compiler and Java runtime environment in path variable. Once we set the path, our Windows command prompt, our Windows machine is able to recognize these commands, Java C and Java these commands will able to recognize by Windows. Then we can work with this. For that, to set the path, we need to go to uh, click on Windows button and go to settings. Here in settings, search for environment variable, environment, edit system environment variable, choose the second option and go to environment variables. Here click on path. There is already some paths has been set, so you can double click this one and you can add new. Okay, so make sure that it's already JDK path is not already set. Now what you have to do is you extracted Java JDK into your some drive, right? So go to that path and you need to choose JDK's bin folder. So I am choosing until bin. For setting the path we need to go until bin, because whatever the commands we are using, all commands are available here, like as I shown you, java.exe, java c.exe and jar.exe also will be available here somewhere. Click new and add this path. Okay, I think that's it. You can start using this one. This command prompt won't work. Let me open new command prompt, because that is opened before setting the path. Now you can see the version of Java compiler. Yeah, it is Java C15 and Java runtime environment version. We'll see. Yeah, this is also set to Java 15. Yeah. So if you want, you can also set Java home, that is being used by softwares like Tomcat or WebLogic. These are the servers which runs on the Java JDK, which they internally use Java runtime environment JDK. So we can see how to set that Java home as well. Click on start and go to settings, and here same environment variables, choose system environment variables and click on environment. Here see, is there any Java home set? There is no Java home set, so you can, and you need to create Java home. So keep this capital Java underscore home, and here in variable name we have given Java home, and variable value we have to give the Java home path. So wherever you extracted Java JDK, go to that and choose the JDK 15. We should not keep the bin folder, we have to give the home path. So until JDK 15 we have to give, don't include bin folder, that is important here. Okay, now paste this in variable value. So please remember variable name is java underscore home with caps, and variable value is until jdk home, not don't include that bin folder. Click ok and finish this one. Yeah, that's all. So you are ready to use other softwares like Tomcat or WebLogic. Yeah, that is how we can install Java JDK. I mean, without installing Java JDK, we can still work with Java JDK. Here is the example we have seen. We are able to recognize all the commands, even though we didn't explicitly install. Still, you can see in program files there is no software Java JDK, because you just downloaded the zip file and extracted and you kept in your local machine, and you are pointing Java JDK to this path. Yeah, that's all about how to install JDK 15. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel to get the latest updates. If you want to know about any concepts in Java or Python, you can provide your comments in comment section. Signing off.